all of you are doing great. Well, after this FTX crisis and people losing big sum of money onto the exchange, normal public's confidence onto the exchanges have really decreased. In fact, the request of over $5 billion of withdrawal in Bitcoin and Ethereum from the exchange has already been made within the past 1 week, and more than $3.4 billion of the cryptocurrency has actually been removed, and this is during the bear market. Just imagine the value of these on average. I mean, probably the value of these $3.4 billion crypto on average within the bull market would have been probably a $15 billion. Now, here's the thing. Yes, this is fine that a lot of people are doing that. In fact, that was the very reason that crypto came into the existence, the decentralization, owning your crypto, not your keys, not your coin. But the point here is like, what is happening? I mean, let's say you consider your own scenario. I consider my own scenario. If I want to remove it from the exchange, where do I want to keep it? Probably onto the MetaMask or onto the Trust wallet. Why? Because that's easy, right? Because that is accessible. Now here's the thing. One thing that you need to be watchful of is that a lot of big players as well have got their MetaMask hacked. Somebody is going to just install a virus because you clicked a link, and it is going to install a script onto your platform where they are going to steal the keys. The moment that they happen to steal the keys, they can drain out all your money from it. A lot of people have. So you also need to check the guidelines, like what are the do's and don'ts of doing that. But let me tell you, what about using that cold wallet, that ledger wallet, right? That hard wallet. I know a lot of people would be like, okay, I'm not comfortable using it because I do not know how is it going to work. I'll need to order it, and then probably I'm not using it for the big sum of money. Here's the thing. If you are in the crypto right now, do you believe someday you can make millions and millions of dollars because you are early? I mean, I personally believe if you're watching this particular video right now, you are in one of the biggest opportunity of the lifetime. I mean, the Web3 is here, the metaverse is here, the NFT is here, and the cryptos are trading at the cheapest. It doesn't matter you have lost the money or whatever has happened, things are going to turn around eventually. Now, would you want to, I mean, would you be comfortable keeping your, let's say you have made $3 million, $5 million onto the MetaMask or Trust wallet or onto the exchange? Definitely not. Where do you think the people who have made those $50 million, $100 million, where do they keep? They keep it onto their cold wallet. Why? Because without a doubt, they would only remove the amount that they need for the trading, for like whatever, I mean, rest of the amount is within the cold wallet. They would not want to mess around onto the soft wallet. Here's the thing. Even if, let's say, it is $100,000, would you want to risk it for somebody to come and probably hack it? You would want to be at the safest place, right? Someday or the other, you will have to use it. So experimenting onto it when you have made those $1 million or 100,000 plus would be better, or it would be better to get into the habit right now, initially itself. So what I'll do, I'll leave the link down below in the video description so that you can get the discount for the Ledger wallet, right? The Ledger is the safest, as we all know, like is the best known in the world. So probably the people who would want to have their self-custody, would want to practice the self-custody right now, you would want to order it earliest and then practice with it, make the home, clear the home, and make the space so that you can eventually make the home run, get through that big numbers that you're planning to get through. Now, having said that, let's say that is that is the biggest number one option, but there are a second option as well. Like, if on the exchanges, like, is it money not at all safe on the exchange? Definitely not. Sometimes a sum of money would be safer at the exchange rather than at any other place. Why? Because if the exchange is good enough. Now, which is the best exchange? We have been advocate for this particular exchange. Why? Because we believe in it. We do not just go and randomly promote a lot of exchanges. Like, people come and promote every other exchange. Even FTX we never promoted, right? Because we believe in the best. We would want to only promote to our audience the exchanges that we believe in and which are the best. The Binance have tremendous amount of revenue, the biggest within the crypto market. They have one of the best tokens performing amazingly well, right? I mean, this is like the Bitcoin of the exchanges. This would be the last thing to fall upon. With the amount of revenue that they generate, I doubt something like this will ever happen. So this is like the Amazon of the .com crash. Like it is going to survive. It is going to come out. So the best exchange, Binance. And again, if you have not signed up to Binance, I would want all of you guys to qualify for one Bitcoin giveaway. The link is down below in the video description. All you have to do is just sign up to Binance using our link, and the moment that you purchase any first cryptocurrency, you will be qualified. I'll leave the video in the end, quick video, so describing the same thing. You will be qualified for one full Bitcoin giveaway. We are going to give away one full Bitcoin lucky draw, and it is not just one time draw. We are going to do the lucky draw with every 1,000 referral. That, let's say we had 5,000 referral, we will be doing 5 Bitcoin away. Every time we complete 1,000 referral, we'll be doing the lucky draw, and we will be notifying the people. We will be giving them, and you qualify every time. You just sign up for one time, you qualify for the lucky draw every time. So that should be one of the best deals. Probably one would not want to miss. That will be for the lifetime. As long as referral keep on increasing, we are going to keep on doing the lucky draw, and every time you will be part of it. Alrighty, so we have so much things, so much issues around within the crypto market. Everybody is skeptics. I mean, if you have had, I'm not sure about you, but for me, my parents happen to send all those things like that. Okay, Sam Bank, there's this guy who was a billionaire and then he's got bankrupt. A lot of people's money has been lost, crypto, blah blah blah, right? We all have been hearing, but the kind of usage the crypto brings into the world, we are talking about the entire NFT thing that is adopted, like is coming into the usage, mass adoption is happening. It's nothing without the crypto, guys. Instagram NFT feature is nothing without the crypto, nothing without the Polygon that it has partnered with. You need all those things. The metaverse is nothing without the crypto. The metaverse is coming. What are we talking about? The people are not able to see it. You are in here early. Keep your heads high. Remain in the game. Play the game. And eventually you will come out as a winner by the next bull run. So again, guys, smash the like button if you have not already. Subscribe to our channel. And this channel is everything about how do we grow your finances. That's what the goal of this channel is, to provide financial freedom to all of our subscribers. And till then, I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. Opportunity of a lifetime to win one full Bitcoin, and not just for the one time. In fact, every time we have 1,000 referral crossed, we will be doing the lucky draw, and you will be qualified every time to participate for just doing one time task. What is that one time task? All you have to do is just sign up to Binance Exchange with our referral link. The link is down below in the video description, or you can even use the QR code that you see on the screen. Deposit $100 and buy any crypto of your choice. The crypto is yours, the $100 is yours. That's it. You're qualified for the rest of your life to keep on winning one Bitcoin every time we reach 1,000 referral. All you have to do after that, email to us your Binance user ID at the email abdullah@abdullahzahid.com. Every 1,000 referral, we will select one random user, and you are qualified every time we cross 1,000 referral, 2,000 referral, 3,000 referral. That means you can even win 10 Bitcoin. So all you have to do, again, I'll repeat, click the link down below in the description, or the QR code. You will be landing up at the Binance sign up page. You click on sign up with phone or email or Google, whichever way you sign up. You deposit $100, you buy any crypto of your choice, and then just email your user ID to our email address. Where do you find your user ID? This is your dashboard. You click on profile and you click on dashboard. The moment you click, you will find at the screen your user ID, and you just have to email to us. All the best for your lucky draw.